Ready to unlock a world of seamless financial connections? Let's get started with linking your bank account to Plaid. First, you'll encounter Plaid within the app you're trying to connect to. Whether it's a budgeting tool, investment platform, or payment app, look for the Connect with Plaid button and tap on it. You'll then be directed to Plaid's secure interface, where you can search for your bank using the search bar. Go ahead and type in the name of your bank. Once you've located your bank, tap on it to proceed. Make sure you select the correct one. Now, Plaid will prompt you to enter your online banking credentials. That's your username and password. Don't worry, Plaid uses bank-level security to protect this data. After entering your credentials, carefully review the permissions request. Plaid will outline what data the app is requesting access to. Grant the necessary permissions to allow the app to access the required information. This is crucial for the app to function correctly with your bank data. Depending on your bank, you might be asked to complete a multi-factor authentication process. This usually involves receiving a code via text message or email and entering it to verify your identity. And that's it. Once verified, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your bank account is now securely linked to Plaid. You can now enjoy seamless integration with your favorite financial apps.